Embed from Getty Images says Mexico City and the surrounding areas work through the aftermath of the devastating earthquake that hit earlier this week. A lot of heroes have stepped forward to help rescue survivors. Not the least of which is this beautiful pupper, Frida. Ella es Frida, pertenece a la unidad canina de la Etzimer MXY has salvado más de 50 vidas en distintos desastres naturales. pic.twitter.com/tipxa, Presidencia Mexico et Presidenciam September 21, 2017. Frida is nowhere near the only wonder pup saving lives in Mexico, but she does have an incredible reputation. In her time as a rescue dog, the 7-year-old lab having saved more than 50 lives via the above video in a number of natural disasters. Frida is a hero pup who is now working to find survivors of the Mexico City earthquake. 1000010 would let save in time of devastation. Meet Frida. She's in the search rescue division of the Mexican Navy along with 2 German shepherds. Sadly, she's been busy lately. 1410 pic.twitter.com/82nlfkvat. We're 8 dogs October 3 at Dog Rates September 20, 2017. The work Frida is doing is important in devastating circumstances. At the same time, I cannot stop looking at these boots. Embed from Getty Images, and also these goggles. Look at them. Embed from Getty Images, that is one heroic pup. Since we can't all be Frida, here are a few ways you can help those in need. Direct relief Global Giving Fondo Unido Mexico Facebook Safety Check Embed from Getty Images via Reuters Image Screen Grab Twitter. Want more stories like this? Become a subscriber and support the site. The Mary Sue has a strict comment policy that forbids, but is not limited to, personal insults toward anyone, hate speech, and trolling.